Guys, good morning. Today is August 21st, 2009. Just want to give you guys a quick market alert on the S&P 500. Obviously, you see we've been rallying very, very strong overall, over 140, 150 points on the Dow and the S&P 500, which more and most professionals, including myself, traders and investors, follow. You see here, we're looking at a 3-month chart, and the alert is simple. You see we've been rallying nonstop. We only pulled back just ever so slightly above the 50, above the 200. And we see this major peak here, okay? I thought we were going to get some resistance on the S&P 500 right around 1012. And this was an alert I put out in my newsletter subscribers this morning just to make sure that my followers and my readers are put stop orders in place and so forth. Because I see maybe the formation here of a double top, which says obviously we have to pull back somewhat because the market has just been rallying just too much. So it has to take breath, even though there is a lot of money on the sidelines that are looking for a home. And obviously they have found it because a lot of investors, professional firms, and even the small guys like you and I have been making quite a penny, with this rally. So even though we saw a slight pullback here, I don't think it's quite enough. I wanted to see at least a pullback into the 940, 950 range. You'll see the 50-day line is right at the 950. So 940 is out of the question for now. 950 is where I'm at. Actually, I'm going to probably reiterate that again in the next day or so, or maybe even today, that 960, 970 would be my bottom point for support again to get back into a bullish run. But I definitely want to see the overall market pull back. I see a double top setting up here. My concern would be on a double top if it blew through the 960, 970, and obviously through the 50-day. If it blew through the 50-day, it would be a concern, but I don't want to jump ahead of it, ahead of the game. So let's see. I would definitely put some alerts. It has to pull back. This spike in volume, this spike in momentum in trading, definitely shows me that the market is about to pull back. But I do see this, double top, as I'm saying, the first half of it, and here we could be seeing the second half coming up, setting up for all of next week. So be careful. Make sure your stop orders are in place on your individual stocks, because if the market pulls back with violently and with strong volatility, you are going to get creamed on your particular stock. So if you got profits and you're into a strong rally, sell into it. If you don't have that many profits or that much profits, don't worry about it. You can probably ride along without getting hurt too bad. All right, guys, this is the alert for today. I'll be back in a little bit. This is Pete from Pete2Cents.com. Thanks, guys.